My name is Shikha Garg. I'm an associate at Herbert Smith Freehills Kramer. I've been working with the Veterans Consortium for about a year plus a little bit, but I've been working on veterans cases since I was in law school. And after law school, I've always been looking for more opportunities to do that sort of work. So I had reached out to the Veterans Consortium about a year ago to ask if there was ways that I could put whatever niche knowledge I had learned when I was in law school to good use. For the case where I was representing the veteran before the Court of Appeals for Veterans Claims, the way that process works is it starts out with a mediation conference where you try to successfully negotiate a remand with the VA. That process requires kind of writing a mediation brief and engaging in a mediation conference with the opposing counsel in an effort to convince them that the VA got it wrong. And so that requires, like all legal writings do, digging through the record, coming up with arguments, and trying to, in a very short brief, I think it's around 10 pages is your limit, coming up with the clearest ways that the VA erred. And that's both on the facts and the law. And so negotiating with the VA and trying to get information from them about what their position was and why is not often a role that associates are in. Most of the time, settlement negotiations happen between the more senior members of a team. So for me, it was a great opportunity to get to learn more about veterans law and also get the opportunity to try out a skill of settlement negotiation that I had only seen but never done myself. I find working with veterans and the Veterans Consortium incredibly meaningful. This work is important and really impactful to the daily lives of veterans across the country, and oftentimes it's a way to work with veterans in our own communities, which I found particularly meaningful when I work in an office building and work on cases with where my clients are companies and I don't often get the one-on-one interaction. I think that sort of work is both a little different from at least my day-to-day work at a law firm and really incredible to get to see the effect it makes on veterans' lives daily, and the reason why I really appreciate doing that work and having the opportunity to work with people.